Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to auto-accept payments on Cash App. First, open Cash App and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Security and Privacy. If available, you'll see the auto-accept payments. Toggle here, turn it on. Don't see the option? No problem. Go back to your profile and tap Support. Scroll down and select Contact Us, then tap Chat with Support. Explain that you can't auto-accept payments and request to enable the feature on your account. Cash App support will guide you from there. And that's it. That's how to enable auto-accept payments. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.